What are you doing? Making Kool-Aid?
I know. Why are you still here?
Yeah, man, what you doing?
Hey, don't touch that. That's Lucinda my thing. It's gonna make me a super genius.
What, you supposed to be building out a science guy or something?
Why do you need to be smart?
Everybody needs to be smarter.
We finna go.
Yeah, before I miss on my bus.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave with that.
Bye.
I swear he be tripping. I don't know what's wrong with that.
You coming with us?
Nah, I ain't coming. It's my breakthrough.
Yeah. It figures. Loser.
Boss.
Good. Keep it on.
You still sure it's hot? Oh, I need 3 now. 3, okay. All right, here you go. I'm gonna drink it. I'm the smartest man in the world. Oh, man.
There you go. There goes Jamil Book.
Man, he always leaving something.
I wonder where Johnson went.
I don't know.
Let's look at his notes.
Alright. Left platinum molecular
That don't even make no sense.
nitrogen oxide.
Wonder does this smells like?
Ballistic molecule.
Stop trying.
Okay.
Let's go.
Gosh, you know what? Leave something.
Hey.
Clumsy.
I made that stuff to make myself smarter. Now,